everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create Instagram account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Now tap on the Create New Account button at the bottom of your screen. Enter your full name. Once you're done, tap on the Next button. Now create a password with at least 6 letters or numbers. It should be something that other can't guess. Once you're done, tap on the Next button. Now select your date of birth. Once you're done, tap on the Set button and then tap on the Next button. Now create a username for your Instagram account. Once you're done, tap on the Next button. Now enter the mobile number on which you can be contacted or sign up with email address. Now tap on the Next button. Go through the information first and then tap on I agree button. Now if you want to add a picture, just tap on Add Picture button. Or else tap on the Skip button. And this is how you can create Instagram account. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.